Hi, I'm Bob Griffin with rAVe. We're here particularly today looking at the Vaddio and Luxel products at this table. From Vaddio, we're demonstrating our EasyIP platform. This is our AV over IP video distribution solution. Accommodates up to 4 camera feeds, plus an additional HDMI input, seamless switching between those sources. We're also demonstrating our Luxel network switches. These switches are specifically designed for AV over IP application. You'll notice that this switch, configured for AV applications, features the network ports on the rear so that it can be seamlessly integrated in a traditional AV rack and keep the front of the rack looking very neat and clean. For more information about these product lines, you'll see us at www.legrand.com.